Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Terry. Hope you are doing fine. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how I moisturize my wash and go. I did this wash and go yesterday, but I did it in a rush, so I didn't get to fully in-depth moisturize my hair. But I did go in with a hair lotion. I used the Just For Me Natural Milk Oil Moisturizing Lotion. So I discovered this product the other day and I've been trying it out. So far it's okay for me. So I only use this to moisturize my hair, but I didn't use any oils to seal the moisture in. So basically, I had my hair up in one and I am just going to re-moisturize my hair. So I'm going in with this Just For Me hair lotion. I'm just taking this amount. So I'm just rubbing that all over my hair. My hair is light and it frizz easily, so I'm not rubbing it too much to disturb the curl pattern. I'm just kind of scrunching it in while I'm applying the moisture. I'm not stretching it too much because I don't want to disturb the curl pattern that I have. So next I'm going in with my mixture of oils. In here I have coconut oil, jojoba oil, a bit of castor oil, and I just mixed those together in this little bottle right here. So I'm going in with this and I'm going to moisturize all of my hair. Okay, so now that my hair is well moisturized, I literally avoided applying like water-based moisture, even though this does have water in it, but like a leave-in conditioner, I avoided that. And I usually do mist my hair like every day with that, but I realized that when I use that liquid for my moisture, it makes my hair frizz more faster than it should, so I just avoided that and I used the lotion. You can also use a hair milk or a leave-in conditioner that is thick, that is not watery, so that your hair don't frizz as much as your hair don't really frizz that much. Okay, so just a little tip right there. Now I'm just going to style my hair back up in my little wash and go ponytail that I had. So I'm going in with the Eco Gel and I'll be using this around my hair perimeter just to smooth my hair just a bit.
Wish all the hashtags, likes and tweets will find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah, I know you never seen nothing like this before. Yeah, but this is different. I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to We fight and beg and greed, and then we go and act like something.
Now I'm just going to work on my edges.
And our hearts burn with the heat of 1,000 suns. Yeah, and we cry out loud, cause we just want attention. And we feel alive from a fake medium. Yeah, I won't accept this life that fate has given. So find a way to get lost. So find a way to get lost. Just find a way to get lost. Yeah, we'll find a way to get lost. So find a way to...
Now I'm just going to tie down my baby hairs so that my hair can lay flat. Sorry about any background noise, guys. I really do apologize, but this is how I currently moisturize my wash and goes at the moment. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.
Wish all the hashtags, likes, and tweets will find a way to get